Did you know, according to the FDA, the United States wastes 30 to 40% of food? This equates to 30 pounds of food per person per month. Per month. It also means that Americans are throwing out an equivalent to $165 billion in food each year. Y'all, the FDA is out here fighting hard to reduce food loss and waste. We're wasting billions of dollars on food waste. And I must admit, I'm a part of the problem. Now, most labels use best if use by. But what is that? What is this? So I did some research. So you guys don't have to do it. This is a standard phrase to specify the date when food is at its best flavor and quality. And we can always contact the company if we have questions or need additional information regarding the quality, safety, and labeling of packaged foods. But of course, if we see food molding, discoloration, and it stinks, that's trash. I begin my refrigerator deep cleaning process by first removing all the items. As you can see, I check all the expiration dates and the quality of the food, smelling and checking for mold. I have a trash can right next to me that you guys can't see, but it's there so I can just easily throw away any spoiled food. Once all the food is removed, I remove all the shelves and drawers and bins. I love Dawn. I'm not sponsored by them. I just love this product. I spray the fridge and allow the product to really just marinate. It works best when you allow the product to sit for a while. I found this scraper on Amazon. It has both a razor and a plastic scraper, and so I used the plastic just so it wouldn't scratch the refrigerator. I then just continue to scrape as much as I can. And remove whatever I can with the Scrub Daddy. And I love using napkins because it's something that I can just simply throw away. And do some extra scrubbing. And this was just because it's so bad. And this is, again, a deep cleaning. And if you all are enjoying my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. And also let me know what you would like to see me clean. I enjoy deep cleaning, but honestly, I had an attitude about this refrigerator because I did not expect it to be this bad. I really didn't. I also give the shelves, bins, and drawers a good spray down with the Dawn Powerwash. And I do allow that to sit for a while because it's so much easier to remove all the gunk and grossness when the product really gets to marinate. It's really easy to clean. I absolutely love this scraper. It's like a miracle worker for, you know, the food and gunk that's very stubborn and don't want to come off with the Dawn Powerwash. So in the comments below, let me know how you all deep clean your refrigerator, and let's help each other out and give each other tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Happy cleaning.